A patient on mechanical ventilation for severe ARDS has a tidal volume set at 6 milliliters per kilogram of predicted body weight. The peak inspiratory pressure is 45 centimeters H2O, and the plateau pressure is 35 centimeters H2O. What is the most appropriate next step in ventilator management? A. Increase the PEEP by 2 centimeters H2O. B. Decrease the tidal volume to 5 milliliters per kilogram. C. Increase the respiratory rate. Or D. Administer an inhaled bronchodilator. The correct answer is B. Decrease the tidal volume to 5 milliliters per kilogram. Plateau pressure reflects the static pressure in the alveoli and must be maintained below 30 centimeters H2O to prevent barotrauma. Reducing tidal volume further, down to 4 milliliters per kilogram, is the standard intervention. Increasing end-expiratory pressure would further elevate the overall pressures in the lung, exacerbating the risk of alveolar rupture.